Hey everybody, it's Keith with the L1 Automotive Training Channel, and today I've got a 2008 Silverado, old B6 Chevrolet, the big 4.3, and we're doing a used engine control module on it. It's an E37. The unit was failed in no-com state. Got a replacement unit in there. It does communicate, but John and everyone else is out using all the laptops, so I grabbed the Drive Pro Plus 2. I'm going to use the Farsight OE Diagnostics partition for GM. It's already got SPS2 installed. I want to remind everyone that we have a very special Black Friday sale going on right now. At L1training.com, it's only $25 a month if you sign up right now for over 200 hours of training content, an amazing amount of resources, including live classes almost every Monday night. So I get to use it just like our laptops. So I've already manual overrode the VIN, selected replacement program. We're going to click next. Click next. And I've got to select the module we're going to program. I'm going to select the engine control module, programming, normal type, not vehicle calibration index. Click next. And I suppose that we'll probably see a few unrecognized calibrations because the computer that's in there is out of a Chevy HHR. So let me take a look here. Yes, that's the interface that I'm using. Because the Drive Pro Plus 2 has a car DAC built into it, which is what's plugged into the car, and I'm using the Farsight OE Diagnostics version, so it's a virtual machine partition that already has General Motors installed. So there's no revisions in here that I have to select. Yep, override, because it's saying, hey, the VIN's wrong. Click next. So you can see most of these are unrecognized calibrations because the calibrations that were in it that were for an HHR are different for the system, the fuel system, the speedometer, and the rest of these different sectors of this module. Click Start Programming, and just like normal, I've got a good stable connection to the OBD2 port. The pins are in good shape. I'm keyed on. Not using my brand new Power Max I just got. I am using the ProLogix. I've got to get that Power Max put on the cart, but using the PL6100 at 13.7 volts for our voltage stable power supply. By the way, Meta glasses make this hands-free stuff pretty slick. So we've already downloaded the calibration, and now we're on to actually doing the programming event from the computer that's inside the tool to the car. And that's it. But I thought it was pretty slick. I let you guys see the Drive Pro Plus 2 has multiple partitions on it. So when we look at the apps that are on it, I'm running the Farsight GM partition, but as you saw maybe a second ago, there's a JLR, BMW, Fiat Chrysler, Stellantis, Toyota so far. So they've got quite a few different I'll have to go back and get into my app there. There we go. So there's quite a few different partitions already built on there. Pretty slick tool. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.